name is Rebecca Roussel. I'm an outpatient dietitian and certified diabetes care and education specialist at Thibodaux Regional Health System. A Mediterranean eating style is one of the eating patterns recommended by the American Diabetes Association for preventing type 2 diabetes. So today, we're going to focus on a recipe that highlights the components of a Mediterranean diet. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you get to try this delicious, quick recipe. For more information on reversing prediabetes and preventing type 2 diabetes, please give us a call at the Wellness Education Center at Thibodaux Regional Health System. You can reach us at 985-493-4765. Have an active and nutritious day.